Very good morning to all. Last time we had completed rules and regulations followed in game, and today's topic is that activities in school. Okay, we are studying in school, so we have to take part in so many different type of activity held in the school. So here we have to study about of activity in the school. School not only provide education to students, but also opportunities for other activities to take part in the activity. So here underline the spelling of education and opportunity. Opportunity means to take part. Okay, जब भी हमको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, तक मिलती है, तब हम वो तक का यूज करते हैं. We have to take part in the different type of activity. If you have that particular creating art knowledge, you have the drawing knowledge, you have the singing knowledge, you have the craft knowledge. Okay, any type of knowledge is there building. It can be come out through this activity. Okay, so here underline the spelling of opportunity for other activity. This help in the development of the overall personality. Okay, overall personality means which type of knowledge is there that comes out through a different type of ideas, different type of activity. When you have to take part in the activity, you have to something creative work, you have to something new work. Okay, no one can imagine is like that. This students is do that, otherwise done this type of work. This type of ability is there in the student. Okay, उसके अंदर कितना है, जब आप वो एक्टिविटी में पार्ट लेते हो. Okay, you are pick out this all the knowledge and all the ideas from your minds. It can be comes out. Okay, through your activity which you have to take part. Then and then the teachers, otherwise the winner, otherwise आपका जो कॉम्पिटिटर है, दैट गेट द आइडिया कि उसके अंदर कितना नॉलेज है. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी. ओके, आपकी एक पर्सनालिटी अलग हो जाती है कि दिस स्टूडेंट इज नॉट ओनली क्लेवर इन एग्जाम इन द एजुकेशन. दिस स्टूडेंट इज नॉट ओनली क्लेवर इन हैंड राइटिंग. दिस स्टूडेंट इज नॉट क्लेवर ऑन द सिंगिंग, बट these student have all type of ability, all type of ideas is there in their mind, but how to take out, how to comes out this idea, that is called personality. आप कोई काम करते हो और आपके काम के पीछे उसका रिजल्ट मिलता है. Okay, that is personality. So here you have to underline education, opportunity, development and personality. 4 spelling of this student. Now regular and physical training. Some type of we have to take a part in regular activity, otherwise we want to increase our ideas. Okay, so we have to take a training particular ideas, otherwise particular activity. School appoint to a physical training instructor. Okay, like a PT teacher, you want to take part, otherwise you want to take part in any athletics competition. Okay, तो उसके लिए आपका एक ट्रेनर होना जरूरी है. When you are small, you can do this all the activity by yourself, like 50 minutes running in sport day. Okay, but अगर टीचर ने आपके अंदर देखा कि आपके अंदर वो नॉलेज है, तो आपका जो टीचर है, अदरवाइज आपके जो पेरेंट्स है, आपको इंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे कि आप इसमें आगे बढ़ सकते हो. यू हैव टू टेक एनी फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग अंडर वन ट्रेनर. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड इंस्ट्रक्टर. दोज हु हैव टू इंस्ट्रक्ट अबाउट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर activity, that is called instructor. Underline the spelling of instructor. They teach the student to correct way of exercising. Okay, they teach the, like you are running, so how you have to take the step. Okay, how you have to complete the running. Okay, which type of body fitness is required for this type of activity, that they have to train. चाहे वो क्रिकेट है, बैडमिंटन है, फुटबॉल है, एक्टिविटी है, रनिंग है, ओके, स्कीपिंग है, एक्सेट्रा. Regular physical training keeps the children fit and strong. Because आप स्कूल में पार्ट लेते हो, then activity is over, then you cannot increase your physical develop, increase your physical activity. Okay, and that is why instructor again and again and every week they have to give the practice to fit and fine and how become strong, which type of food item you have to eat for this, maximum protein is required for the body fitness. Okay, in some school physical training PT, okay, PT का full form क्या है, physical training is done every day after the morning assembly. आपकी जब assembly में prayer, okay, prayer के बाद every Saturday when the games period is there, otherwise PT class is there, so you have to, the PT teacher take you on the ground and give a practice to different type of exercise. Next, sports and games. Sports and games are good from the physical exercise. Sports and games are good forms of a physical exercise. When you have to take part in any sport activity, तो any sport activity कहीं ना कहीं आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स यूज हो रहे हैं. ओके, चाहे वो फुटबॉल है, रनिंग है, क्रिकेट है, स्पोर्ट्स गेम है, सब. ओके, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ that is organized in the school sporting event in the school. स्कूल में जब स्पोर्ट डे होता है तभी लेमन स्पून, स्कीपिंग, सैक रेस, ओके, running 50 meter, 100 meter. So this type of different sporting activity events is there in the school every year, and they encourage the student to take part in the games and sport activity. Now PT teacher then recognize in which student this type of ability, they comes out that type of student and they have to encourage the student ki beta you have that ability, you take part in the sport day. थैंक यू. यहाँ पे आपको एनकरेज की स्पेलिंग अंडरलाइन करनी है.